Hey friends, happy Wednesday. We are going to continue learning about area. Now I am going to be combining two different lessons today because I want to make sure to teach you all about perimeter tomorrow, and then on Friday you're going to get to explore and have some fun with area and perimeter. So today I'd like for you to go ahead and open up your textbook to page 356, and we're going to be learning about square units today. Now yesterday when we were learning about area, we learned that if I were to take a look at this image right here, the area of this figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is made up of 6 square tiles. So it has an area of 6 square units. They are actually squares, right? Okay, now length and area are two different concepts. Length is measured in units, but area is measured in square units. So you are going to learn a little bit more about the square units in this lesson. So let's open up our textbook to page 356 and let's read along together. It says, this is 1 centimeter square. So the distance here is 1 centimeter and the distance here is 1 centimeter. Each side of the square is 1 centimeter long. So its area is 1 square centimeter. There's 1 square. The square centimeter is a metric unit of measurement for an area. So do you see how there's a 2? That is called an exponent. Everybody say exponent. Perfect. And an exponent is basically when you have a number up in the air like that. And when I have a 2, that's basically saying it is squared. Everybody say squared. All right. So again, the square centimeter is a metric unit of measurement for area. A 2 centimeter square is made up of 4 1 centimeter squares. So its area is 4 square centimeters. We're going to be practicing with this more today. Let's flip to page 357. Let's read up here at the top. A 3 centimeter square is made up of 9 1 centimeter squares. The area of each 1 centimeter square is 1 square centimeter. So the area of the 3 centimeter square is 9 square centimeters. So you have 9 squares up in the top left image. Count the number of 1 centimeter squares. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the area of the 3 centimeter square is 9. Let's take a look down here at this image. So the first question says, a 5 centimeter square is made up of how many 1 centimeter squares? How many squares are there in this image right here? Go ahead and write it on your whiteboard. Perfect. Did you get 25? Excellent. There are 25 squares in this shape. The area of each 1 centimeter square is, so each one of these is how many squares? It's just 1, right? So the area of the 5 centimeter square is 25 square centimeters. You have 25 squares. Let's go ahead and take a look at number 4. It's on the next page, 358. So it says, find the area of this figure. Well, let's go ahead and count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, And if I glue these two halves together, that would be 6. All right? So we have 6 square centimeters. Okay, friends, I would like for you to go ahead and try to find the area of all of the figures in number 5, and then go ahead and answer 6, 7, and 8. Pause the video. Perfect. Okay, go ahead and check and make sure you have all of these. All right. Excellent. Okay, guys. So this is what I'd like for you to go ahead and do now. This is going to seem a little funny, but I want you to flip your textbook to page 365. All right, and we're just going to read through some of this together because I just want you to see it for next year. So here's 365. It says each side of this tabletop is 1 meter long. Its area is 1 square meter. Which do you think is larger, 1 square centimeter or 1 square meter, and why? The square meter M2 is also a metric unit of measure for area. 1 square meter M2 is larger than 1 square centimeter. Centimeters squared. Flip the page. A tabletop is about 1 square meter. The sticker has an area of 1 square centimeter. Do you see it? And here it says, the picture compares the sizes of the tabletop and the sticker. It shows how big 1 square meter is compared to how big 1 square centimeter is. So meters are a larger unit of measurement than centimeters are. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. So come down here, count the number of 1 meter squares. Okay, here we go. 4, 8, I'm counting by 4s, 12, 16. A 4 meter square is made up of 16 1 meter squares. The area of each 1 meter square is 1 square meter. So the area of 4 meter squares is 16 square meters. All right, what I would like for you guys to do is go ahead and flip to page 367. It's going to look like this. And I'd like for you to try that on your own today. Go ahead and pause the video. All right, and here is your practice for today on page 367. Go ahead and make sure you have all of those answers correct. Excellent job. Tomorrow we are going to be looking at perimeter.